Junit is used to test unit test for unit testing. Okay, what is unit testing? Actually, suppose we have a class and this class have a method. Unit means method. If you want to test a method that's working properly or not, so for this purpose we can use JUnit. JUnit is a framework and Apache provides us JUnit. Okay, this is not a part of Java. So if you want to use JUnit, so first of all download jar file of JUnit. After that we can use JUnit. Okay, so first of all try to understand what is the use of JUnit or what is the uh, unit testing. Suppose we have a method like this int sum and this x y. No. Okay, and it returns the sum of two numbers x plus y. So this method should be returned the sum of two given numbers. Okay, and suppose we want to check this method is working properly or not. Okay, so for this purpose we can create another class. Okay, and publicly static main string args and create the object of demo class dot is equal to new demo. After that we can check if obj as we can suppose here is equal to obj dot sum and pass the value like this. Okay, so it will return the sum of two numbers and it will save in dot. Now we want to check it's working or not, so we can check the condition like dot is equal to 30. Okay, okay, so dot have actual values that will return by some method, and 30 is the expected value, means it should, this method should be returned 30 according to values. Okay, so here we can print it system dot out println. Okay, if dot is equal to 30, so it will print correct, otherwise it will print wrong. Okay, hello, correct. This is the expected values and dot have actual values. So if both are equal, so it will return correct, otherwise it will show wrong. Understood? So normally we can check this, but for this purpose we have a framework name is JUnit. At the place of this, we can use JUnit, and very easily we can check, we can test any method. Method means unit means method, so we can easily test any method through the JUnit. Okay, so now we are going to use JUnit and perform same operation through the JUnit. Okay, hello, anybody is there? It's okay. So now we are going to create example of JUnit. Create a Java project. Like JUnit prover. Okay, then click on next. Here you can see here there is a SRC. SRC is a source folder, and we have another for option create new source folder. So here we are going to create a new source folder for testing purpose. Okay, so in other source folder we will write the test cases and check any method that is working properly or not. Okay, so click on create new source folder, this option. So we are going to use test, click on next, and then finish. SRC and test. Okay, so there are two source folder, first for classes and second test is used for testing purpose with test cases, and then click on finish. And okay, so this is a project. Now I'm going to create a class. Like package name, CTS, classes, demo, and click on finish. So we have a class name is demo. So okay, same method. Suppose this class demo class, and this class have a method name is sum. Okay, and it have two parameter int x and int y, and it will return sum of given numbers. Okay, and suppose we want to check this method is working or not. So we can create another class. So this is a class demo class. Click right mouse button, then click on new, then click on other, and here you can type here JUnit. Then here first option is JUnit test cases. Please click on this option JUnit test cases and click on next. Okay, so it will automatically create a new class demo test. Okay, and source folder is same SRC, so we can change it. So click on browse and change the test. Click select the text and click on OK. So it will create. Okay, here you can see the source folder is test. So now this class will create in test source folder. Okay, and the package name is com.cts, means package name is same. Okay, then click on next and then finish. 1 minute. Here you can also select JUnit new JUnit 4 test. Please select this and then click on next and then finish. So it will download JUnit 4 library. It automatically download the jar file of JUnit. Okay, click on OK option button. Okay, so here you can say junit4. You can see this is jar file for junit. Okay, so this is a test case. This is a class. You can see here. This is a demo test annotation. This is a method for testing purpose. Okay. Now, suppose we here you can see assert static or dot assert. Okay. So this class have this is a static. So we can call the method of this class directly. So we can remove this, and at the place of this we can change the name of, because we will try to create multiple methods of our test cases. So here name is some test cases temp some, because we are going to check some method that is not mandatory, but you can change it. After that, create the object like same as this. Same as this. Okay, like suppose this. Okay, so first of all, create the object of demo class. After that, we can call this. So at the place of this, then it provides us a method. Name is assert equals, and we can pass this method. Change the equal. Oh yes, it's okay. So assert equals. So this is a we are calling this method because we want to check this method is working or not. Okay, and here we can pass the value. Suppose here we are passing 10 and 20. So here we can 30 is the expected values, and it will return actual values. If both are equal, it will show in green color, and otherwise will show in red color. Okay, so now we are going to check it's working or not. So click right mouse button and click on run as, and here you can see this JUnit test. Please click on this option, and you can see this is showing green color, means it's working properly. Okay, error 0, failure 0, run one by one. Okay, if here we are passing, that is the expected values. Now again check run as and JUnit test. You can see red color, means that is wrong. Okay, by one failure one. Okay, so through this we can this method we are calling it directly because this is a static, so we have not need to use object of this class. We can directly call this method assert equal, and this is the expected value, and this it will return actual value. If both are equal, then it will show in green, otherwise it will show in red color. Okay.